Listen, for a while now, I've had this question. Do you guys use an external mixer? I'm really curious. Do you guys use an audio external mixer for your gigs, or do you just connect straight up from your DJ controller to your subwoofer to your tops? Or do you guys go from DJ controller to a mixer to your subwoofer and the tops? Let's get into this video. What's up, YouTube? I feel like every DJ should have a mixer. And if you stay towards the end of the video, you will know why. Like I said, normally a lot of DJs start off by having their connections from the laptop to the controller. But what usually happens is when you have that connection like this, the first problem you run into is if something happened to your controller, you out of audio. You have to connect to a Bluetooth or something like that with your phone, and hopefully you have some audio that way. Also, the next reason why I don't like this type of connection for me personally is because if something happened to your laptop, if you need to reset your laptop real quick or it's glitching or something is happening, now the entire system is shut down until your laptop comes back online. You know, unless you have a second laptop, you can quickly plug and play. But a lot of people, one, can afford two laptops, and two, not a lot of people bring two laptops to a gig. So this is why I said we all should have one. Let's talk about how we can solve your first two problems that we just talked about. We talked about the first issue as if something is happening with your controller, now the whole system is down until you connect with Bluetooth or something. You wouldn't have this problem because you have different inputs when it comes to a mixer. You have line 1, line 2, line 3 and 4, especially on this mixer. Again, this is not a paid video. This is not no advertisement for any companies. But if you out there, you looking for Yamaha, you already know. But anywho, this video is not being paid by any means at all. So this is just my point of view. Like I said, you have line 1, line 2 in this mixer. You have line 3 and 4, which is the 1/4-inch cables. You have line 5 and 6, which is another 1/4-inch cable. In this mixer, line 1, you can use it as microphone. Line 2, you can use it as microphone. You have different EQs to control your mics from line 1 and 2. Line 3s and 4s, you don't have any EQs on this mixer. You simply have a volume button, as well as 5 and 6. In this exact mixer, you have XLR out left and right to go out to your left sub, right sub, or speaker left and right. You also have the 1/4-inch left and right, which does the same thing. And you have a headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio if you ever need to. Or the way you can use the headphone spot, for me, I use this sometimes as a booth out. So if I need to have a speaker close to me, I use this as a booth, and then it got its own separate volume knob. Now, how do you use this? I have the two lines out, right and left. These two channels right here. One goes to my right channel, the left one goes to the left channel, which means the right one right here, I usually put it on the right channel for 5 and 6. The left one right here, I usually put it on the left channel for 5 and 6. Each one goes to a channel. So basically I would have the laptop connected to the DJ controller to the mixer on line 5 and 6, and then the output would come from left and right to the sub or the speaker. Your left and right goes to the left side of the speaker, the right side of the speaker or sub. So if something is happening with this, you can literally have your phone, your iPad, something, an external device connected to line 1, 2, or even 3 and 4, so you can always have audio going in. So how does that look like? You would buy a cable like this. This is really cheap. Something you can find on Amazon. That'll work for whatever phone you have. So basically you would have these cables attached to your iPhone with this lightning port, or you can have the same one with a USB-C. So this piece is connected to your phone, and these two goes to the right channel, left channel on your external audio mixer. I would have a different cable, one of these going to the right channel, left channel on the DJ controller. Now from the DJ controller, the right channel is going to the right side of 5 and 6, or it could go 3 to 4. It don't matter. Then the right cable goes to the right, your left channel goes to the left, whatever DJ controller that you may have. So you would look something like this. This is for your phone. It's always there, it's always ready. You plug it in, you're waiting for audio. Then you would have your regular normal XLR going out to your speaker or subwoofer. But this would be the setup. So if anything happens to your laptop, you're covered. If anything happens to your DJ controller, you also covered. Now you don't have to stop everything for so long. If anything happened here or here, you just go to your phone, whatever streaming platform you may have. I'm sure you a DJ, you paying for something out there. So you just go in there, hit play, find a song, find whatever you want, hit play while you're still trying to figure out how to get your stuff situated. You may not have a lot of time for you to get it up and running, but again, you still have enough time for you to hit play on a different device. The second best way that I would use this is a lot of people have requests. And by you having this on your phone, iPad, tablet, whatever that you're using, you can take a request on the go. You just have to be smart on how you mix it into the song that you're currently playing for you to hit play on your phone so the song can come in. But again, you can take a request on the go even if you don't have the music. Wherever you're taking the music from, you type it in, you get it ready, you cut whichever deck that you're currently playing, you cut it off, and then you drop the other song on the one, which is still good. All you have to do, put your volume a little bit higher, just so it doesn't come out like crazy. You play the song and then here you adjust your volume so it makes sense to the previous volume that was playing, and then you're still good. Now, it's easier if you have a song playing over here, you can mix into it, but it's a little bit harder for you to play into a song that was already playing once all you have to do is hit play on the phone. So this is why I really think that everybody should have a separate audio mixer just in case things goes wrong and then you covered. So this is the video for the day. Let me know. DJs, are you currently using an external audio mixer, or are you just going straight from laptop to controller, from controller to subwoofer and speaker, or are you using this method that I am currently using right now, going from laptop to controller, from controller to mixer, and then from mixer to sub and speakers? Let me know. What do you guys do out there? I've looked around, I don't see a lot of people using mixers. A lot of people I see, they go directly from the controller to the sub, so I'm really curious. Am I doing too much or something, or I don't know, man. Let me know. Leave it in the comment down below. Let me know, how do you do it? What do you guys do? Do you even care about having a mixer, or do you just go straight like that to your subs? And also, have this ever happened to you that your computer froze or your controller is tripping and then now you wish you had one of these? And it's really cheap. I'll put the price and the link in the description for this exact device. But there's a lot of different ones out there. This is just happened to be what I use. And then that's it. Anywho, enough talking. And this is your video for today. See you on the next one. Peace.